In this video, you will learn how to create a press release for our business, Skateboard Inc. A press release is a written communication that reports specific but brief information about an event, circumstances, or other happening. It's typically tied to a business or organization and provided to media through a variety of means. But this doesn't mean that the media will grab the press release and run it. It may depend on whether the event or circumstances is something that might interest their readers or listeners or benefit the community in some way. If you're lucky, your press release may be picked up by bloggers, tweeters, and others who read it and find it worthy of promoting with their social networks. There's a difference between news and press releases. The main purpose of a press release is to promote something significant and specific. A press release is a document that adheres to strict format and serves three marketing and promotional purposes: to let the media know about an event, hoping it will pass the information along; to let the media know about your business, hoping a reporter will see a story in your press release and write an actual news article about it; to help promote your business appearance on the internet via blogs, websites, and social networks. It's direct readership publicity. Now we will prepare a press release to the local news media and will advertise the grand opening of our simulation business, Skateboards Inc. To do so, first we will need to open up Microsoft Word. A press release is written on standard 8.5 by 11 inch paper. Gives local media information that is useful, accurate, and interesting. It allows local media to print information that lets readers know what's going on in their area. It's also a free way to advertise. Press releases are often sent to newspapers, radio, and TV stations. Our first step is to save the project as Project W-1 Press Release into our drive. Next, make sure that the size is 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches tall. We can do that by going up to the Page Layout tab, going down to Size, and making sure it's 8.5 by 11. We will also want to check that the margins are 1 inch. We can go over to Margins and make sure that they are 1 inch all the way around. Our first step in creating a press release for Skateboard Inc. is to find an image of our simulation company, Skateboard Inc., and insert it into our document. We can do this by doing a Google search for Skateboard Inc. simulation, copying the image, and pasting it into Word. Once the image is in Word, we will resize the image and also format the image so that the wrapped text is set to square. This will allow us to move the image around to the desired location. We can do this by right-clicking on the image, going down to Wrap Text, and clicking Square. Once the image is in the desired location, you will need to key the following information. Pause your video and type in all the information. We need to format all the information so it fits properly on the screen. First, we will change all the text to size 9-point font. And we will bold it. We will also make sure the text is left aligned and that the text is single-spaced. Next, hit Enter twice after the website information and type in the date. We will change the font size of the date to 12-point font. We will also double space down after the date and type the following information. We will make this text left aligned, size 12-point font, bold it, and make it in all caps. Next, we will double space down after for immediate release and type the following information. We will make this text left aligned, size 12-point font, bold, and in all caps. Next, double space and key the following information left aligned with a 1/2-inch tab indent at the beginning of each new paragraph. You can pause the video to type the following information. If your press release exceeds one page, the second page should indicate page 2 in the upper right-hand corner of the page. We will also go up to the ribbon bar up here and click Different First Page so that the page 2 is only on the second page and not on the first. Double space and insert the following 3 symbols centered to indicate the end of the press release. Carefully proofread your work for accuracy and format. Then, resave the file.